ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ, ਨਮੋ ਬੁੱਧਾਏ, ਜਮਨ ਵਾਸਤ ਸਲਾਮ ਅਲੈਕੁਮ ਸਾਥੀਓ। Hello everyone, I hope everybody is good. Today I speaking a little bit English because I don't know full English and I try speaking a little bit English. I doing program today in English because new president America is Joe Biden. I send him a little letter and I hope Joe Biden is my letter is accept my letter, my email, and I send email. Just I read, I writing one message, maybe right, maybe wrong, I don't know, but I try good thing, good writing, but I give him congratulations and I writing I read same thing. Congratulations from the Voice of Manavta News channel, Mr. Joe Biden, new president of America. Mr. Joe Biden, please give all the word message strongly because I read before message all. Mr. Joe Biden, please give all the word one message strongly, all the word people following truth and honesty, because right now all of the world is burning without fire. Without fire, ego and anger. You know, ego and anger are coming from the false and corruption of people following the truth and honesty, then all the world will have peace. I hope you give all of the world this good message. This is not my advice. This is not my advice for you. This is my request for you. Thank you, Mr. Joe Biden, President of the United States. MS Khalsa. This is my name, my nickname. Mr. Joe Biden, I hope you give all the world good message, and I need all the word peace. Right now I try 100 times somebody help me, but nobody help me, and I want peace, and I want to start episode new my TV channel. How can peace coming in the world? Because this time all the world burning without fire, ego and anger, and everybody inside very disturbing in the mind, and everybody inside burning without ego or anger. I need peace all the world. I give message to many people here. Every problem coming from false in life. Every problem coming false in life. Every happiness coming from truth in life. If you want all the time happiness in life, then truly accept inside truth and honesty. I give message to many people here, and my message not my message is message from coming God. This message from coming God, not my message. My just hand, my working. That's it. I'm just writing my hand. This is not my message. I want peace all the world. If somebody help me, I start soon my TV channel or program. How can peace coming in the world? And everybody know all the world media don't talk about peace. All media everywhere watch carefully. This everybody create problem. Not everybody, but 99% create problem. Not have solution. Everybody not have solution. But my opinion, personal opinion, maybe right, maybe wrong, I don't know. But my personal opinion, this is: if people following truth and honesty, then everybody inside coming peace here have peace. If people truly accept inside truth and honesty, then coming peace all the body in life. And if people like truth and honesty, my thinking, all family in coming peace, all the world coming peace, all everybody, if peace have in all the world, then everybody happy, and I hope God bless America, and God bless Joe Biden. I hope you give people my good message. This is not my message. I not give advice. I have request for you. This message very important. And if you say, if you have opportunity now, right now, if you give people this message, everybody listen you, Mr. Joe Biden. Everybody listen you, because you right now President of America, and I want peace all the world, because peace not have. I watch carefully in all the world. Nobody have peace here. Everybody crying. Everybody fighting. Families fighting. Countries fighting. Why is everybody fighting? I need peace all the world. Mr. Joe Biden, I request for you, please, one time, just give all the world message. If people following truth and honesty, then coming 100% peace in the world. I hope you give good message, and I pray God bless you, Mr. Joe Biden, and God bless America. And I love America, and I love everybody. Somebody asked me, who you like, which one you like people? I say I love everybody. Who is hate me, who is love me, I don't care. But I love everybody. because everybody create God. Allah, Waheguru, sab everybody is, I love everybody, and God bless Mr. Joe Biden, and God bless America. I love America. I love America. Thank you सबका सत श्री अकाल वाहिगुरू जी का खालसा वाहिगुरू। I hope this message listen everybody. Take care. Thank you.